Hello, my name is Richard Jacklin. I'm the Space and Satellite Lead from Plextek Services. For space applications, including rendezvous and proximity operations, or satellite service extensions, or things to do with Lunar like landing or terrain navigation, you need sensors to know where other objects or surfaces are in order to execute guidance, navigation, or maneuvers safely. Now, there's a range of sensor available. Could be infrared, could be visible light camera, could be a LiDAR, or even a radar. All these sensors have their own strengths and weaknesses in terms of function, size, weight and power, cost, reliability, etc. In this demonstration video, Plextek are showing the strengths of millimeter wave radar alongside COTS camera or LiDAR. So in an application where the field of view is obscured, so in the space world this could be thrust or engine plume, or even dust if we consider lunar or Martian landscapes. We've taken a drone and mounted a COTS LiDAR and camera alongside Plextek's PLL T60 60 GHz millimeter wave radar platform. We run the demo twice. The first run showing the drone land in clear conditions where we expect to see all the sensors work nominally. In the second run, we obscure the landing range with smoke, and we look to see how the different sensors fare in terms of helping the drone navigate and land safely. Smoke, I suppose, is a bit artificial in terms of obscuring, but if you look at the lunar dust, for instance, it's a very fine particle size, and we know that it will interfere with camera or LiDAR-based wavelengths. Hopefully you found this demonstration video informative, and if you'd like to know more from Plextek, it would be great to hear from you. Thanks very much.